Where is this car? Come back, Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss. Sorry. Okay, it's moving now.
Help us and support us in the coming AMAC election. It is the foundation on which I'm going to contest the president of Nigeria. It is the foundation. Help us. Thank you. That's what we want. We want to support the AMAC election. It is the foundation on which I'm going to contest presidential election. ADC.
Address here.
What? You address here. Just you adjust.
Calm down. Calm down, Daddy.
Thank you for the opportunity of coming here today to see you. We are very, very grateful. We thank you for the other opportunity. We are beginning a new journey in Nigeria. I thank you for your support in 2023. And I assure you that your support is not in vain. It is not in vain. We are beginning a journey now.
Yes, sir.
That will change Nigeria. We are beginning a journey that will change Nigeria. Some of you might think we have walked away. No. We are going to build a new Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
They've destroyed Nigeria. They've made Nigeria insecure. They've made Nigeria people to go hungry. Today, Nigeria is a country with the highest number of poor people living on earth. Today, Nigeria is insecure. Today, Nigeria is hungry. You have no businesses. Everything is collapsing in Nigeria. Our schools are closed. There's no hospital. There's no light. Everything is going bad. Everything is going bad. That is what we want to correct. We want a Nigeria where our schools, our children will be in school. Our hospitals will work.
Yes, sir.
Where we stop pulling people out of poverty. Where we stop people from stealing public money. No regional government. We want people to stop stealing government money.
Yes, sir.
So that this public money must be used for public good.
Yes, sir.
I get to school. I get to health care center. Yes, sir. There's no health care center never. At all. We want to stand for local government. Our local government election is on the 21st of this month. Go out and vote for ADC. Capital Primary School. ADC. Foundation in the education president. The rest that showed 2027, I'm contesting for president of Nigeria.
Yes, sir. Say Obi, say Obi, say Obi.
Let me tell you, this time around, it will not be the same thing. Our vote must count. If it doesn't count, those who didn't count it, we will count them. If our vote don't count this time, those who didn't count it, we will count them.
Yes, sir.
The rest are shown. We are committed to it. We are committed to a better Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
Nigeria must change. We must have a Nigeria where a child of nobody can be somebody.
Yes, sir.
That is the Nigeria we desire. And we want you, the people of Umbuka, this year will be better than last year.
Amen.
This year will be better than last year. 2027 you see beginning of a new Nigeria. Because I'm going to build that new Nigeria. We want a Nigeria where the leader will be competent. Yes. Okay, the competent. I join Nigeria. And I judge again where compassion, welfare of the people at heart. I join Nigeria. And I judge again where capacity. Okay, where energy. I join Nigeria Gabu. And I judge again where energy now. Yes. You get the idea. I've been on 5,000. Look at that. Now, darling. We need it. Go where the man. Because all the back.
Energy. Energy. Energy.
Hello.
Energy. 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 Power.
Who has not to vote before? Niman na gwam na nda to vote before. Na furova. To all the more vote. As I'm a chairman, I will bring him back here.
Say big boy.
Vote.
Say big boy. Say more.
Vote. I'll bring him back here. I'll show you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And God bless you.
ADC. ADC. Arise.
Energy!
Energy.
Let me hear you! Let me hear you!
Our Papa.
Hold on! We never tire!
We don't tire.
We never tire for hunger!
We don't hunger.
We never tire for corruption!
We don't
We
tire.
never tire for nyama!
We don't
We
tire.
never tire
for poto. We don't tire. Even snake they kill human being for one mark. Which kind of life is this? We don't know. People they die every day like this. Pregnant women are losing their children. Look at the energy in this place. We cannot function. Is that correct? No. Is that correct? No. Can we continue like this? No. Can we continue like this? No. That is why on the 21st of February, we are going to go. Are we not tired of tribalism? We are tired. Are we not tired of religious? We are tired. Are we not tired with political clusterism? Yes, sir. That is why I have come to tell you one thing. Even if I can fail myself, I cannot fail my father. Umbuka, una hear me? Yes, sir. The only thing I have to say to you people is that, na my baba be this.